All right, folks, here's my Boasch dryer, and it keeps having the lint filter light kick off. This is an older dryer. You'll remember I created a video on how to change the drum in this dryer. It's been working ever since. That last fix was like a year ago. But since then, I keep getting this light right here that says lint filter. It keeps flashing. So what do? I pull out the regular lint filter, and your typical day, it fills in this. But every time I clean that and throw it away, I still get the light to come on. So here's why. I needed to go deeper. And here's what I did. I got two long chopstick type sticks, skewers. And where the lint filter button comes, you'll see I still got my load of laundry in there. I discovered that deep down in the holes in here, there was all of this lint that was not in the filter, but below the filter. And down in the bottom there, it's about 8 inches deep, which is why I'm using these. There's still, it's like a half a pound of lint that's been collecting down there for probably 10 years. So don't think it's just the filter. It's below the filter and deep down inside. You just got to get some long tongs like these, go in and just take your time and tediously drag it out. Look how much of that lint stuff I got out. And I still got a bunch more in there. If I had better lighting and was set up to show you exactly what's going on, I'd be able to show you. But you can see each time I drag this down, I get more coming up. So that's the quick tip. If your lint filter light keeps going on, don't forget to check what's behind it and below it. I hope this helps you out. If so, give it a like and comment below if you've had the same problem. Catch you later. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and all that. Over and out.